Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and before we start today's video, I want to apologize for lacking the videos previous week, but I was pretty sick. I still am. You can probably still hear it in my voice. It's a little bit, still not totally normal. I got a little bit of a full nose and stuff. But, the show must go on, right? And definitely we are preparing ourselves to like a little bit of a bull run, it seems to get to be again. So I want to make a little video about Ethereum again, right? And yeah, before we go onwards, please guys, do subscribe to our channel. We will try to upload videos every day if we're not sick, right? But yeah, subscribe to our channel, like the video, and let's see what Ethereum has prepared for us, right? Ethereum is definitely still lagging behind, right? If you look at a Bitcoin, you will see that Bitcoin has already broken the barrier, so it's like 11,500, something like this, and it's quite above the left side already. But Ethereum here might be halting it this time just a little bit, right? And this is pretty much a strong area for Ethereum right now, because not only did you break down and you created this sort of a range, when you try to go up again, this was the first resistance created, and in this case, you could almost call it a double top, right? That crashed all the way down to a previous support. Now this is quite a strong point for Ethereum right now, and therefore numerous reasons, right? For number one, if Ethereum can't manage to break this, I'm pretty sure Bitcoin will match it to about 12k or 12, even 12.5k, so basically almost to the new high again, right? I mean, new local high for that matter. But Ethereum, that managed to happen, is going to be falling behind this time around because it was a little bit more overextended at the previous time. So I do think it's going to be falling around, and it's going to be testing around this area, right? This is going to be Ethereum next area when Bitcoin is going to be meeting about 12.5k. That's what I'm pretty much hoping about. I'm still seeing that Bitcoin is, the Bitcoin dominance chart is still not fully fledged from going down, right? I mean, it's still holding the same main spot, so we will check that one this week, but on the next video. But for now, let's just look at it, right? Ethereum. So Ethereum, first of all, we have two choices, right? We either gain this area, and this becomes, after we gain it for a couple of days, this becomes a strong long area, right? This is going to be a good long area for us to continue this bull run, and of course take the first profit target in this area that we've marked upside, right? That is going to be position number one, which we still can't draw yet because there is nothing there yet, right? This is just imaginary price action at this point. It's a little bit of what we would like to see in the future. And then you got a secondary option, which is when you strike in resistance like that, is probably the one that is most likely to happen, and it's actually this one, right? We get to test this area again before moving up, and this one is going to be, I mean, it's probably going to happen at this point because we have been halted here for 2 days, which is not a bad sign, right? We probably should have broken out today. So we've been halted here for 2 days, so we are most likely going to test this area before heading up, and I do hope that after we test this area, we will head up, right? Because, I mean, we've been staying down here for a while right now, and we definitely want to get continuation of the bull market. But if you can't do this, then it's going to be pretty bad, sadly, right? So positioning right here should be around there. Should be around this area, right? I can mark out the area just to make it a little bit more simpler. Here we go, right here, that would be the area, and it is, as you can see, it's about a $10 area. The stop loss is about, at this point, is about 7%, 6 to 7%, as you can see it, right? And the first profit target is, like I said, I would be aiming at the bottom of this area that I mark, right? So this brings us to like 50% on the entire move on the coin, or 2.2R, 2.3R, you can say it, right? And that is pretty good profit for me, right? I mean, that's like a almost $50 gain on the Ethereum, right? So it's pretty good for me. I mean, I don't see any issues with this trade. And this is probably going to be trade I'm personally going to be taking as well, because it's a good risk to adverse ratio trades. I mean, this usually plays out, and plus if you capture it, it's going to be a good bullish continuation, which could last all the way, as we already said, up to like $500-600, which is something that we are really aiming for, right? But for now, like I said, before this one frames, right, this is about the only opportunity I see at the moment. I don't see anything else on the charts that would tell me anything otherwise. This is the only position I'm seeing right now. I'm definitely not bearish anymore. I mean, I'm still having a completely bullish because we haven't broken this, but I can't be bearish at this moment. I do think we have better chances of going up than going down, right? But we'll see what happens. So this is the only possible trade I'm seeing at the moment. So yeah, guys, please do like the video, subscribe to our channel, you know, punch the notification button so that you get video on the front page. Also join us at 4C Telegram channel, right, and where we discuss how to move our stop losses, how the profit targets are being taken, or you know, just how do we move the profit targets, or how do we move our entries, depends on the price action, all of those juicy stuff, and also do a daily BTC analysis, right? So yeah, guys, this would be pretty much it for today, and we will be seeing each other in the next one.